Okai Musik, educator, teaching artist with the Little Orchestra Society, will show us how wind and water can create pitches with water bottles.
Hey family, how are you doing? My name is Okai and I am a teaching artist, and I am excited to share with you a brand new wind instrument. And all we are going to need is a bottle of water. Now, this is how we're going to get sound out of this. We're going to use natural wind from our body blowing into the water bottle to get sound. Now, the most difficult part is going to be actually getting the sound out of the water bottle. So let me demonstrate for you. You're going to put your bottom lip to the edge of the water bottle. You're going to take your top lip and form a small hole and blow down. Now, just try, as you're blowing down, just try to move your lips around. Try different parts of the edge of the water bottle. You keep trying a couple of times and you will get it. I know you will get it. And once you do, you'll be able to get a sound out of a plastic or a glass bottle. All right? So let me demonstrate for you one more time. Put my bottom lip to the edge. Take my top lip, form a small hole, blowing down. Now, you're going to notice the more water that I have in the bottle, the higher the pitch. This one has water right up to the second line. Pitch is getting higher. This one has a little bit more water. It's getting higher. Nice. Good way to stay hydrated and get a musical instrument just by using your natural wind. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Have a good time. Peace.